Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's gonna be a little bit quick, a little shorter. We're doing a Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. If you guys are new to this, I have been unboxing these every year for a very long time on the channel. It's kind of a tradition over here. So I did manage to snag one of these. So if you guys haven't heard of Beautylish, they are a makeup store like a Sephora, Ulta online that carries a bunch of different brands, a little bit more luxury brands. I know they have Natasha Denona, Wayne Goss, Charlotte Tilbury, lots and lots of high-end makeup. And every year, the day after Christmas, they come out with these, basically, I call them like a mystery box of just random stuff from their website, and they call them lucky bags because some bags are like the typical, it's supposed to be double your money, but some are like extra lucky. So you might get extra lucky and get some even more goodies, more than double the value that you paid. And yeah, they're really fun. They always sell out the day of. They have the smallest box, which is the $75 one. They have a couple other ones. I know they carry Jeffree Star on there, so I think he does like, I think they have a mystery box just for his stuff. And they also have the XL box, which I have never been able to get. It's always sold out within like seconds, but this year I was actually able to get the XL. It was in stock a lot longer than it usually is, or they just had a lot more this time around. So this one was $150. So it was quite a bit, but you're supposed to get double that, so about $300 of products in here. Yeah, I'm really curious to see what we got. I don't buy, I guess, a ton of luxury makeup. I mean, if there is a Natasha palette in here, I probably already own it. A lot of their brands I really don't have a lot of, so I'm so curious to see what's in here. A lot of people do get completely different items, so it's always fun to kind of watch these unboxings on YouTube and stuff. And like I said, it's kind of tradition for me. So let's get into this box here. Okay, so this is how it comes wrapped up. It does say Lucky Bag 2023. I like to be surprised, so I don't necessarily like to look because not everything comes wrapped up. So I'm just gonna pull stuff out. Okay, so the first thing here, maybe this is some brushes. I don't know what this is. Okay, let's open it up. Comes in a nice little drawstring bag, and there's a case here. Interesting, what is this? It Velcros, and then you open it up. Oh, okay, so this is not like actual brushes, but it's like a travel brush case. Now I do a lot of traveling, so this is perfect. It actually has little slots you could put your brushes in, so that's really awesome. It would have been awesome to get some brushes included, but yeah, I'm not familiar with this brand. This is the logo. I'll write it down on the side here if you guys are curious, and I do like to add the value of my items, but this is nice. Like I really did need something like this. I like that it has the plastic inside, so you know your dirty brushes won't be getting product all over everything. You can easily wipe it down. So definitely different for a lucky bag, but I'm not mad about it. I'm actually kind of excited because this is definitely going to come in handy. And I mean, it has to be really luxurious if it comes in this nice casing. Let's see what else we got. There is a lot of stuff in here. Okay, next. Oh, cute. We got a little Viseart palette. I honestly don't try a lot from them. I feel like I've tried them many years ago, and I just didn't feel like it was that great for the price and all. But if I'm going to get it in the bag, I'm definitely going to try it out. This is so cute. So this is the Petite Fours, and I got the shade Lilas, I believe. And this is beautiful. It's like smoky, pinky taupe colors. This is definitely colors I wear on the daily, so I'm actually very excited about this. Let's do some swatches. I will say the quality feels really nice. Like I said, it's been years since I've tried their stuff, but I mean, the mattes are pretty buttery and the shimmers are stunning. I know Morgan Turner always raves about Viseart, so these are absolutely gorgeous colors. I am really pleased with this palette. I could see myself getting a ton of use out of this. Let's see what else we got. Okay, oh, Charlotte Tilbury. We got a little eye palette from her. This is the Easy Eye palette for the Charlotte Darling look. I feel like I've seen a couple sneak peeks. I try not to look at too many, but the ones that I saw, pretty much everyone got this palette, so they must have had a lot left over. But I mean, this is a nice palette of her stuff. I like her eyeshadows. I don't, again, like to pay full price for them because they are quite expensive for what it is. I feel like this is another kind of good everyday palette. It swatches really, really creamy too. And it's really nice that we got 2 palettes already in here. These are nice and pigmented. I love these warm tones. So we got 2 really nice neutral palettes for me. You guys know me, I'm a neutral girl. And this is stunning. So that's beautiful. All right, let's see what else we got. There's something pretty big in here. I feel like this might be a hair product. It is. I was wondering if I would get this. I saw this in someone's video. It's from Oribe. Now they have some really luxurious hair care, and I got the Invisible Defense Universal Protection Spray, and this is a heat protectant, which is awesome. I really have been looking to try a new one. The one I use right now is like an oil-based one from Amika, and it's fine, but I just don't know if it's doing as much as some of my like actual sprays do. I just don't know if I'm coating the entire hair, if that makes sense. So I think this is gonna be really good. It says say goodbye to dryness, color, fading, and frizz. It protects up to 450, which is great. So I'm really excited about this. I think this is gonna be awesome. And let's see, is it dry? Oh, it is a liquid. So I don't really like the liquid ones so much, because usually when I'm doing heat protectant, I like to do it while my hair is dry. It says you can use it on damp or dry hair, but their stuff always smells so good. So luxe. So I'm actually really excited about this as well. Definitely something I will also get some use out of. All right, what else? What else? Ooh, Good Molecules has their Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I don't know if I've tried this one. I love Good Molecules. I got to work with them last year on a sponsored video, which was really exciting because I love and use their products. They're really affordable. So this isn't the most luxurious item, but I love their skincare. They have really great ingredients in their products, and they don't put a ton of just random filler ingredients. But they have some nice oils. These are really small, but you don't need a lot. But this is gonna be great. I've been getting into gua shaing, so I'm always looking for different oils to use for that. So definitely be trying this one out. It's mostly made of camellia seed oil. Oh, okay. Another palette, but this is one of my favorites from Natasha. So I do have this one. It is beautiful. I'll go ahead and show you guys. I really do love this. It's nice because you get like blush, highlight, and you get eyeshadow as well. So it's a nice all-in-one kind of palette. Really gorgeous formula. Just something I do already own, so that one's a little bit of a miss, but I know I can make a little bit of money back on it, so not a huge deal. Oh, we got here from MOB Beauty. Now I feel like hardly anyone knows about this brand, but they sent me some items the beginning of last year that I tried out, and I really love their products. They all come in repurposed packaging. You can make your own little palette. I have like a whole palette with eyeshadow, bronzer, blush that I take traveling with me all the time, but it looks like I got a lip capsule, so one of their lipsticks. And yeah, you can just buy, okay, so it's by itself, so I assume the lipstick might be in here too, but you put the lipstick in the capsule and you don't have to buy the outer packaging anymore. You just do it once and that's it. Let me see if maybe the lipstick is in here, because that would kind of not make sense if we just got the capsule. Okay, so yeah, the lipstick comes in this little recyclable container, and we got a pretty burgundy color. So this is the lipstick refill. I'm guessing just M13. But I really like this brand. You guys need to check them out on Beautylish. They have amazing quality products, good for the environment. So you just pop it in here, you take the little cap off, and then you got your lipstick. So let's swatch. Ooh, this is actually quite pretty. It's a nice burgundy brown type of color. So the lipsticks are actually something I haven't tried from them. Okay, it looks like we might have some brushes to go with our brush case here. Oh, okay, so I actually got the face brushes from this brand in my last box, and they're really nice. Like, I use them a lot. Great quality. This is one of Beautylish's lines. It's called Unit 310. So we got a little eye brush set from them, so I will definitely use these, and they will fit perfect in our little brush travel case. But yeah, these are really great quality brushes from them. And then we have one more item in here. Oh, we got Holly Frog. So this is one of their skincare lines they started carrying a couple years back. Haven't tried a lot from them, but I think it is a K-Beauty line, and they do make some good stuff. This is their Tashmoo Water Lily Milky Wash with 14 amino acids and apricot kernel oil. This sounds really moisturizing for the skin. Yeah, it says it's good for dry or moody skin. My skin is very moody right now, so I feel like I need this. It's been breaking out so bad, but this looks really, really good. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here it is. 14 amino acid blend, it says. So I'm excited to try that as well. And that is everything in our box. I'm gonna go ahead and add the total of the products up and we'll see what the value is. Okay, so the total of my box came to $367. So that is a little over half off, which is awesome. I'm pretty pleased with the selections that I got. Definitely some fun stuff that I normally wouldn't have picked for myself, but I definitely could use these items. The only repeat or item I'm probably not going to use is the Natasha Denona Glam Face palette, but I mean, there's bound to be at least one duplicate. I feel like this is one of the better ones, and I feel like you usually get better items if you do buy the XL box, so I am pleased with this one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Can't wait to try these items out. Let me know if you guys got a Beautylish Lucky Bag this year or if you decided to pass on it. I think a lot of people are passing on it this year because they are quite expensive when you don't know what you're gonna get. But most of the time the items are definitely pretty good and you know you're at least gonna get double what you paid for. So these boxes are, again, sold out. You'll have to wait until next December 26th to go ahead and order one. But all of these items should still be available on the website if there's anything you're interested in checking out. I'm actually quite shocked that that travel brush case was from Sonia G, which I've definitely heard of before, and it was $75. Like, what? That's insane. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.